Hey, Patty G here. I love my Ryobi BT3000 table saw, but I don't like the stand that it's on. I don't like the amount of room it takes up, so I'm going to try to consolidate my table saw and a dust collection system right here. So my friend Frankie that helped me design this thing and get this thing ready, now he's a real woodworker. I'm a jack of all trades. He's a real woodworker. But he was telling me that your table saw needs to be with your arms at a neutral position. Your forearms parallel to your work. My table's actually a little lower. This is 36 1/4. So the frame is just a simple 2x4 frame I built with a cutout on the front for the table saw to sit in. And here's where I'm going to put the dust collection system, inside this end, right at the exit of the dust chute on the table saw. And perhaps back here, add some more ports so I can attach it to my other devices. So the table saw had a little lateral movement side to side. My son came and helped me do a couple braces, couple of 45, almost 45 braces, and that has really kept this thing from moving and really sturdied this thing up. So what I'm trying to do to make this as easy as possible is just cut it in 2 pieces. This piece is good to go. This piece was a piece of scrap that I was kind of laying it out with. The table saw is not bolted down, so I can still move it back and forth to tweak this. So I'm going to have to relieve this area for my monitor table to slide into, because I want to use the existing rail system on my table saw front and back. So I need a little gap here for my fence to attach and for the miter attachment to attach. I'm not going to be able to move the miter attachment, but I'm okay with that because I'm going to block it in with the piece of the top here. Now this top is a piece of an elevator panel that was in the house when we bought it, and I've used these things around here for all kinds of things. The guy that was here before us was a Otis elevator mechanic, and he left 6 or 8 of these things. This is 3/4 inches thick. It has a Formica top on both sides. So one of the things I want to do, the miter sled doesn't travel its full travel. So I want to take a little more meat off right here, so the miter sled, center line of the miter sled, can get out here off that saw, and we can get some clean miters. Okay, now all we got to do is level the saw, clean up, and paint. And I'm going to go back with the black frame and the wood grain top, just like everything else. So, I've got a series of washers and a deck screw. I'm going to stack these washers under each screw point on the saw, and we get it to the right height. Then I may add some shims midway across the saw and see if we can't get this thing to line up. Okay, well, here it is. Got it all painted up, got the top all shined up. Been working on getting the overspray off the table saw. That took a little while. That took a couple, 3 hours for me to get all tweaked up, and but it's really close. The fence is within less than a 30-second, so that's good enough for me. I'll never notice it. So it's looking good, but it's not done yet. We still got to do the electrical, because I'm going to put the dust collection system in here, and need power to the table saw and to the router attachment. I want to talk about tweaking this saw to align the fence and the miter table and all that. And then I want to build some bins. I'm going to continue to make use of this space. Since this is here now and it's in the middle of the floor, I'm going to use every square foot of space inside this enclosure, inside this footprint, that I can. So stay tuned for that too. So I guess we got maybe 3 more videos on this deal. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm still going to make a video a week until I get this project finished. I don't mean this project, I mean this project. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, etc., etc. I would appreciate it. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. And we'll see you later.